Thank you very much. Today is a proud day for the City of Columbus, and with the leadership of City Council President Andy Ginther, Councilmember Zach Klein, and Michelle Mills, we're kicking off a new policy towards the end of Domestic Partner Registry. Today is the first day of that registry, and this is a voluntary registry administered by the City Clerk and allows unmarried couples, regardless of sexual orientation, to formally register their relationship and increase their access to certain basic rights. This registry removes the administrative burden on the business and public institutions to define and certify the existence of a relationship. This confirms that and verifies that. And this verification is needed for matters such as health insurance, hospital visitation rights, and authorization to pick up children after school. This has become important in our society. And so, move this up, right? This is the registry right here. City of Columbus Domestic Partner Registry. Declaration of Domestic Partnership. And in the registry, it provides for that the people that sign and notarize this statement, that they're not currently married to or legally separated from another, either under statutory or common law. Number two, that they share responsibility for each other's common welfare. Three is that they're 18 years of age and mentally competent to consent to a contract. And finally, that they are financially interdependent, as demonstrated by the signed declaration here. Now, in doing this, this will make Columbus a more competitive, more inclusive, and more attractive to new residents in Columbus, as well as represent existing residents in the City of Columbus. And I want to thank City Council, who has taken a tremendous role and stepped up in a big way for partnering on this important effort. So, and I met some of the first people that are registering. If you could stand, the first folks. Four couples right off the bat that have agreed to sign this Declaration of Domestic Partnership. Proud of all of them. And congratulations to all of you. Now I'd like to bring up Andy Ginther, who was a major sponsor and co-leader in this effort. Thank you.
Thanks. Good morning, and thank you, Mayor, and would also like to thank these outstanding citizens of the City of Columbus who have stepped forward. What a better way to celebrate our bicentennial year than a day like today, recognizing committed relationships that help strengthen our neighborhoods and make our city the best city in America to live, work, and raise a family. I also like to thank Mayor Coleman, Council Members Klein and Mills, because quite honestly, we wouldn't be here today without their support, without their advocacy, and without their commitment to fairness and inclusion in Columbus. Today, Columbus takes another step forward as a city and joins the likes of many other cities, large and small, who are working to make it easier for every man and woman, regardless of sexual orientation, to be treated fairly, with respect and dignity. I'm proud to stand here today knowing that the mayor and this council are doing everything we can to continue to push forward with ideas, policies, and action to make it clear that Columbus is an open and inclusive city. By doing so, we send a message to all those living, working, and visiting Columbus that we are a community that embraces diversity. We will defend the rights of those who make Columbus so special. We welcome those from all walks of life to help us continue the positive momentum, and that we are open for business. Today, by establishing this registry, we are in fact continuing our efforts to make Columbus as welcoming, inclusive, and competitive as possible. We're excited to be here today. This journey has taken a while with work, research, commitment, advocacy, public hearing, testimony, making sure that we're talking to folks from all different perspectives in this city. That's the way we come up with what's in the best interest of the common good and what is in the best interest of the people of Columbus. There's one council member who has helped lead this charge, and I want to introduce to you the chief sponsor of this legislation and leading this initiative, and that's Councilmember Zach Klein.
I can't help but smile to see all of the happy faces that are here and knowing the work that we're doing in the city of Columbus on this issue in particular is making a difference in people's lives. And I echo everything that the mayor and council president have said, and without them we wouldn't be here today. But as I look out into the crowd, I see some couples that were married in other states whose rights in marriage is not recognized in our state. And I see a veteran that has put his life on the line fighting to protect all of our freedoms. And here we are today doing what we can as a city to ensure that we return the favor and the gratitude that we have for your service by taking a step forward and providing equality for everyone based on who they are as individuals. Equality under the law. And that's really what we're here today to celebrate, and what I'm proud of, what we're doing in the city of Columbus by establishing this Domestic Partnership Registry. So thank you so much, and certainly thank the mayor, city council, President Andy Ginther, and all those that have worked on behalf of the mayor's staff and city council staff to make this happen. So thank you so much.
City of Columbus is open for business.
You keep this one. Yep, we keep this. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Congratulations again. Yes, absolutely.
What are you doing today?